Hello and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2012 Physics Past Question 17. The pressure at any point in a liquid at rest depends only on the A. Depth and the density, B. Mass and the volume, C. Quantity and the surface area, D. Surface area and the viscosity. So we are asked that what does the pressure at any point in a liquid at rest depend on? So that is the question we are asked. Now, the pressure at any point in a liquid is dependent on three factors. The first one is depth, the second is the density of that liquid, and the third is acceleration due to gravity. Now, these three factors are directly proportional to the pressure at that point. So the depth is directly proportional to pressure. So this means that as the depth increases, as you go deeper, so as the depth increases, the pressure also increases, and vice versa. Decrease in depth means decrease in pressure. The density also is directly proportional to the pressure. So similarly, increase in density means increase in pressure, and likewise decrease. And then acceleration due to gravity also exhibits a direct proportionality with the pressure. So from these three factors we have mentioned, depth and density is what we have as option A. So option A, the depth and density, is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.